Do you want to know how you can set up your Threads profile? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can set up your Threads profile. Go ahead and open Threads, which is on your phone. Now click on the profile option, which you can see on the bottom right hand corner. Go ahead and click edit profile. This is your profile. Now to set it up, go ahead and choose your name. Your name will be automatically synced with your Instagram, so if you want to change your name, go ahead and go to Instagram and change your name, and then your Threads name will be changed as well. If you want to change your bio, tap on bio, write down what you want, or you can just import it from Facebook. Go ahead and click the tick mark, and then if you want to add your business link, go ahead and tap on the link. Write down the link over here, or you can import it from Instagram if you have linked your business with your Instagram account. So go ahead and write down your link, and then if you want to enable your account to public, go ahead and tap on this icon, and then your account will be public. This is how you set up your profile in Threads. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.